Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. I'm Neelam and you're watching Neelam's Lifestyle. Today I'm thinking to share a really quick video about my garden decor. I really love to create a multiple sitting areas. Oliver love to sit here, especially in the morning. We have our tea here and depend on the which time we are using, and I really love that I created so many multiples areas for sitting. So sometimes we are sitting on the grass. This is my vegetable garden which I shared you last time in my video. I harvest already a radishes and waiting for the potatoes. So this is my favorite salvia, and I create this secret garden. So I just start creating my rose garden which I shared you in my last video. So this is actually a quick peek. So one day I'm gonna share the detailed video with you guys and how I create. This is my shed at my garden. I really love my shed, and if you like these kind of videos, how to decorate your garden, what kind of plant you need, the perennials and the annuals, the strawberry plants, so for that one you have to subscribe, like it, share it, and I'm gonna keep updating you where I'm right now. This is the plant all planted by me.